Hello students, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. So we are solving which state Madras School of Economics paper 2025 and we have picked up question 39 this time. So let us see how we can answer. Which statement is incorrect regarding the minimum support price? Is that for Commission for Agricultural Cost and Price provides recommendation, the prices are fixed only for true crop rice and wheat, the prices are fixed twice a year separately for Kharif and Rabi seasons, or the price is set on the basis of demand and supply consideration. So let us break down regarding what is minimum support price. So first is Commission for Agriculture Cost and Price will provide recommendation. So this statement is correct because here the CACP provides recommendation actually for various crops taking into factor like the cost of production, or we can say for market trend and demand supply dynamics. Next, the prices are fixed only for two crops. Obviously it's a wrong answer. So this statement is incorrect, but for you the answer is correct, because which of the statement is incorrect is this one, because it's not only limited to just rice and wheat, but the government fixes MSP for various crops being cereal, pulses, oil seeds, for everything. Okay. Next, the prices are fixed twice a year separately for Kharif and Rabi season. Yes, it's correct. It's generally announced separately for summer and winter. And fourth option, the prices set on the basis of demand and supply condition. This is very true. So this statement is correct. While demand and supply play a role, MSP are primarily determined, but actually for the cost of production. And according to the cost, we decide. So correct answer for you is option B. Next, we are having the last question for the economics paper for Madras School of Economics sample paper 2025. India's recent problem of over leveraged company and bad loan encumbered banks is referred to as twine deficit problem, double burden in credit market, twine balance sheet problem, or doubly stressed balance sheet. So the recent problem in India where over-leveraged company and bad loan encumbered banks have caused significant financial stress, it referred to as a twin balance sheet problem. Basically, so the answer for your correct is option C. Because twin balance sheet problem refers to a situation first where we consider the corporates, that means the companies which have a high level of debt over leverage, and banks have a significant amount of non-performing assets, NPAs, or bad loans, which are often linked to this over leverage company. So our correct answer is option C. If you have any question or you need any doubt or you have any regarding any examination, any entrance examination or master's school, Madras School of Economics, you can surely WhatsApp us. We have provided you with the number. Best of luck students for your examination.